My orchid lost its bloom and all the leaves turned yellow and fell off. Did I overwater the plants? And this is William from Corona, California. So you know a little bit about orchids too.
Yes, I
you
do.
talked about that for us before.
I do know about some orchids. Possibly, because you know, if it was bought in a store and is in those ceramic little containers, those don't drain. And whenever I have those, I take them, those are usually a liner with them in it. I take the liner out, leave the container, and I water that and let it drain out before I put it back in the container.
Okay.
And so that's how I keep it so it doesn't get too much water.
Right.
And the leaves could be because it's too much water. The other thing that can happen is does he have it in too much sun? Direct sunlight on the leaves will also turn them yellow.
Right. That's a good
and
point.
you know, in the nature, orchids are underneath the canopy of a tree.
Right. So they're shaded.
They've got a lot of shade.
Yeah.
So I usually put mine in east and north windows. Okay. Depending on what time of year. Usually east in the wintertime and north in the summer, because the sun coming in in the east window can be, it started turning mine yellow, so I put it in the north window so it wouldn't be such strong light on it.
Yeah, that's something to think about, right? Yeah, because I automatically think too much water when I think
well,
yellow.
It could
but
be
you're
either.
right with sun. Yeah,
it could be either one.
Yeah, sure could be. All right, William, yeah, so let's make sure we look at the conditions that those orchids are in. And don't love them too much, right?
No.
Not too much, they don't need too much water. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.